Hello folks, this is Steve A4L. Look to the right, look to the right. You know, they're working on that just enough space building. I just noticed it as I was waiting for the traffic light. Hang on, you'll see what I mean. First we come around this side. So somebody has a truck and they have wheelbarrows and stuff like that, and they're A&D, whoever they are. I'm not promoting anything. Now you see they're doing some kind of cement work. The forms are there. If you look in the back of this truck, there's like rebar, short rebars. And they got a rucksack there, and they got the gravel there. The guy, oh, see, I don't know, the sun's in the way. See what he's doing there? Now, how do I know they're pouring cement? Just in case you didn't catch it. There's hang on. This is a bad time for sun angle, but that's the way it goes. I'm here shopping. So we come around this side to the front. Now the deal is, you see the thing turning? It's so they're mixing the concrete. They keep it mixing, so when they get an order, they fill the, I bet I know where that truck was filled up, down in Asheboro. Alright, now we can get a name. Piedmont Ready Mix. I'm not promoting anything, I'm not recommending anything. They're advertising themselves. Now it's upside down on that one. There you go. That's the way they drive it. Piedmont Ready Mix. Now I got nobody behind me. And we got to get the workers too. And you remember what I meant about the short rebar rods? They're to hold the form. Those are to hold the form in place. Now I'm not trying to disturb them. Just wanted to stop and get a view of it. And that work helper device obviously was brought here on this trailer. Pardon the sun angle. And that's our visit today for the new building that's fitting there's just enough room for it. Steve A4L, just me and Nosey, saying see you at 73.